Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Have you ever wanted a little more from your stereo in your BMW? Well, here's the solution. It uses the BimmerCode app. You can select different equalizer settings for different models of BMW. Pretty cool, right? You'll find this setting in the Amplifier tab under Control Units. Now, this will require you to enter into Expert mode, but it's not too bad. So you'll click Expert mode, you'll select OK, and then go ahead and go to Equalizer Settings, and then click Equalizing Data. You'll see a number of different BMW models here. Mine happens to be an F22 M240i, so that's already selected. Based on other recommendations, I selected F45. From there, just back out and click Code. Start coding. Your modules will restart and you'll have fresh sound. F45 provided a little bit lower bass, some higher highs, but the mid-range was a little bit low. It's a setting I like, to be honest. If this was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell your friends.